Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Learning Path. This is Dr. B. Meena, Associate Professor, Head Department of Commerce, and Vice Principal Shift 1 from Petition College of Arts and Science, Adayar, Chennai. In this video, you are going to learn some more problems on how to work out the labor costs per man day of 8 hours. Look at this problem. From the following data, prepare a statement showing the cost per man day of 8 hours of engaging a particular type of labor. Before I'm going to explain this problem, let me have a recap about what is all about this topic, labor cost to the employer, what we need to calculate, what it is. Labor cost, already we discussed in the introduction of cost accounting chapter in the previous video. We have three elements of cost. One is material, other one is labor. So the cost, all these three elements, the material cost or labor cost or other indirect expenses, were collectively called it as overheads. So only these three elements plays a major role for deciding the cost of production. So when we are talking about the labor cost, the major component is the wages and salaries is a very major cost to the employer for providing the wages and salaries to the employees. So when we are working out what is a labor cost to the proprietor, to the owner, to the employer, when he is distributing the wages and salaries for each and every month. So when you want to distribute the wages and salaries, that is a gross pay, that is a CTC, company's total cost. So that time we should not consider the employee's contribution, because the employee, say for example, for a kind of contribution provident fund, both employee is going to contribute. So the employee's contribution is not at all a labor cost to the employer. Only the contribution made by the employer is where only will be considered to calculate the labor cost. So in this topic, we must ignore the contributions made by the employees. Okay, so whenever you are going to work out cost per man day of 8 hours or labor cost to the employer, kindly ignore the contribution made by the employees. Okay, so let me check this problem. From the following data, prepare a statement showing the cost per man day of 8 hours of engaging a particular type of labor. The monthly basic salary was given 400. This is a basic salary, and DA 400 per month is given. And question is cost per man day. For a day we need to calculate the labor cost, but the information available for a month, so this information available for a month is to be converted for a day. So leave salary 5% on what we that is on applicable on A, and then employees contribution PF is 8% on the summation of A and B. Employees contribution to ESI is 2.5 percentage on the summation of A and B. And amenities expenses is rupees 25 per head per month is given. Okay, per head per month is given. So how to work out this problem? Now look at this working notes. Already I explained this working notes in my previous video. Click the I button to watch my previous video to have more understanding about the labor cost to the employer. The same calculations only I did it because I want to know how many days as working in a month. By having this information, number of working is in a month is given in this problem is how much? That is how many hours? 200 hours. So 200 hours divided by in a day 8 hours. So 25 days is a working days in a month. Okay, and then I started working out this problem. So how to work out this problem? How this concept always, basic salary and DA is given for a month. So 400 divided by 25 days. That gives you what is the basic salary DA for a day. Okay. And then leave salary. So 400 divided by 25, I'll get 16 rupees. Leave salary 5% on 16 as per the problem. 5% of EA. What is EA as per my calculation, my new calculation 16. In the 16, 5%. So I'll get 0.8. And then next information as per the problem is employees contribution to PF 8% on summation of A and B. So what is the summation of A and B? A is 16, B is 0.8. So 16.8 into 5%, sorry, 8%, I'll get 1.344. That is the employee's contribution to the PF. Next, I will move on to the calculation of employee's contribution to ESI, 2.5 percentage, again on the summation of A and B. So 2.5 percentage on A and B, 16.8, 16 plus 8. So 16.8 into 25%, sorry, 2.5 percentage, I'll get 0.42. And last item is amenities expenses, that is given for one single labor, 25 rupees for a month. Okay, I want to convert for one day, means 25 rupees divided by 25 days, I'll get 1 rupee. So if I add all these answers, I'll get 19.564 is the labor cost per man day of 8 hours as per this problem. Okay, then one more problem we'll discuss. From the following particulars, prepare a statement showing the labor cost per man day of 8 hours. Basic salary is rupees 2 per day. Now look at this information. Because of this information, I want to work out this problem for you. DA is given, but how it was given? 25 pies for every point over 100. Every point over 100, they are paying DA 25 pies. What is the current cost of living index is points is given 700 points. So over 100 points, I'll give 25 pies for every point. So what is above 100? 700 minus 100. So 600 points, we need to calculate the DA 25 pies. Okay. Now this is for this information only. I want to work out this problem for in this video. Now check out the solution. Statement showing labor cost per man day of 8 hours. As usual, I will put the heading. Basic salary, what is given? 2 per day. Okay, I want to convert for everything in a month. So 2 into how many days, working days in a month is given? 25 days. The problem itself is having the information 25 days. Okay. So 2 into 25, I'll get 50 rupees as basic salary. Basic salary was given in the problem for a day only. I'm converting for a month. So 2 into 25 days, 2 rupees into 25 days, 50 rupees I'll get. Next, DA I said over 100 points, over 100 points, over every, that is for every point over 100, I'll pay DA. The employee is saying I'll pay DA 25 pies for every point over 100. So totally the current cost living index is 700 points. So 600 points, I need to work out the DA. So 600 into 0.25, I'll get 150 rupees. I'll get 150 rupees. Then leave salary is 10%. So on that summation of A and B. So 50 plus 150, 150, so 200 into 10%, I'll get 20 rupees. Like that, employees contribution to the PF 8% on ABC summation. So ABC 50 plus 150 plus 20, 220. 220 into 8%, I'll get this value. Like that, 220 into 2.5% is the employer's contribution to ESI. So I'll get 5.5. So amenities, you know very well, that is 20 rupees for a month is given. So 20 rupees I'll get. So all the calculations I converted for a month. So totally the labor cost for a month is 263.1. So what is for a day? So 263.1 divided by 25 days, I'll get the labor cost per man day of 8 hours are 10.52. I think with this problems, you will come to know how to work out the labor cost per man day of 8 hours for the problems. Thanks for watching. See you again in next video. Subscribe my channel. Keep supporting by passing your comments. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.